YouTube fam, what's up? This your boy Ray Mack. So right now what I'm doing, I'm cooking on this here smoker, right back there. I'm cooking on that smoker. So now this is what I'm gonna do for you right now. I'm gonna show you how you can make a awesome and a great recipe for a marinade to marinate your beef roast if you want to try to cook your roast and put them on the smoker. All right, so if you follow my easy recipe, I guarantee you these steps is easy to follow. You will love it. And then whoever tastes that meat, they're definitely going to fall in love with it. All right, you can find all of these ingredients at Walmart. That's just how easy it is. Now, let me know below in the comment section, right down in the comment section, what type of ingredients you use to marinate your particular beef, because I like to try it. I like to give it a try. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video right now. Let's do it. So I'm starting out with a nice sized beef roast. And then I'm going to season it up with some of this black and tan steak rub. This is made by Fire and Smoke Society. You can find these at your local Walmart. It's on their shelves in the spice section. You'll love this one here, I promise you. So I'm going to season this on the front and also the back of the meat. Now I'm using some of this here sweet peepers. All right, now I'm telling you, this is some good seasoning, y'all. It's going to give you a little bit of that heat and just a little bit of that sweet as well, but it's going to pair up nice with this. So I'm going to do the exact same thing with this seasoning, and this seasoning is also made by Fire and Smoke Society, and you can find this at Walmart. I bought this with my own money, so I'm not getting paid from this company at all. But I'm telling you, it's some good stuff. So I'm also going to toss on some of this here onion powder. And I'm going to toss on some garlic powder as well. And I'm basically going to repeat it on the other side. We moving right along because I want to give you this next step. I want to take this here beef roast and I want to place it in a vacuum sealed bag, because we're going to do something else to this and you guys are going to love it. Now I got some vinaigrette, some red wine vinaigrette. I'm going to take at least around about 1/3 cup of this here vinaigrette, and I want to infuse this meat with this flavor. I'm telling you, once you put this on your smoker and you cook this here meat, you're going to definitely love it. So go ahead and vacuum seal your bag. If you don't have a vacuum sealer, you could definitely use some Ziplock bags as well. And then at the same time, I want you to go ahead and either freeze it, or you can just let it marinate in the refrigerator for 12 to 24 hours. If you let it marinate longer, you'll get the best results. I'm telling you something right now. You would definitely love this, because with all of these flavors, with the seasoning and the vinaigrette, it paired up nicely with this here recipe. Okay, I'm definitely going to post this video right here in the show more section. So if you really want this recipe to this here shrimp scampi, trust and believe me, you'll love it. I'm going to post it in the show more section for you guys to give it a try. I want you to do me a favor if you don't mind. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think about this here video. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Ray Mack would love to have you as a family member. So with that being said, love and not hate. Love somebody and hate nobody. Peace.